Hey guys, hope you're still doing well and safe in this current period of time. So Sony sent us in the mail the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II recently. It's an Android 10 phone that's available this year since 1st of June at only just 569. So it's been a while since Sony came out with a phone in our market. So it'll be interesting to see what does the new mid-range phone actually offer. Here we have the box of the device itself, and together in it is what you will get if you purchase the phone. Let's take a look. As you can see, I have not gone through the phone yet or its contents, but what you should know is actually a 6-inch phone with full HD resolution, full HD plus resolution in fact, and it offers the 21:9 wide aspect ratio, which is pretty nice. It's an OLED display some more, so that actually makes it a pretty interesting phone for just 569. So in the box we have, obviously I would imagine, the instruction manual and the user guide. But let's take a look at the other components. It's pretty simple at first glance. It has the compatible charger. Let's take a look at how much it charges at. Are you able to see it? Come on. It outputs at 5 volts and 1.5 amperes, which works out to 7.5 watts. Not exactly fast charging, but good enough for a phone of this size and a battery capacity of only 3,600 milliamps per hour. It also comes with its own compatible charging cable, which I believe is USB-C. Let's take a look. Normal USB on the input, and yes, it's USB-C on the other end. So obviously you charge the phone where you normally charge every other phone. As we go through the box, let's go through what it's like as well. Okay, so it's powered on, but there's also one more thing in the box, and that is actually a 3.5mm audio jack. 3.5mm headphones with that comes with the device itself. Now it's kind of rare, right, that a phone would come with a 3.5mm port these days. Where is it? Is it at the top? It's right here, guys. Right here. Not sure if you can see it because it's black, but it's over here at the top of the device. Now what makes this phone interesting is how it has some flagship quality features. For example, it has a triple rear camera system with a 12 megapixel rear camera, 12 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel telephoto lens, as well as an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. So basically in this $569 phone, you kind of get all the common shooting scenarios, and each of them have a dedicated lens for it, which is pretty neat. It's an Android 10 phone, so you're bound to get the latest updates as well. And knowing Sony, is most likely to be quite clean in terms of the UI and the operating system. So let me just quickly say yes to the agreement license. But what's important also is you can see the device is pretty high quality. We have always come to know Sony as a brand that makes rather stylish, corporate appropriate devices, and this is no different. Despite it being 6 inches, the phone itself is also quite nice in one hand, as you can see from here. So that's all we have for the unboxing of the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II. Again, if you're interested, it's already on sale for $569. You can check it out online, and you can also learn more about it from our website.